Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sinenna, and the last video I discussed a cable that is twisted pair cable, and in this video I will discuss a new cable that is fiber optic cable. So fiber optic cable is basically made of a glass material for the data travel. That means here the data travels in the form of light, and it has the three components like core, cladding and coating. The center is called the core, which is responsible for transmission of light, and the core is surrounded by a cladding that basically reflect the light to prevent the loss of the signal and passes of the light, and the whole entire setup is covered by a coating for the safety concern. So there are some advantages of this fiber optic cable. Like first one is high speed data transmission. That means fiber optic cable are basically used for high speed, extremely high speed data transference. Second one is a long distance transmission. That means it can transmit the data over a very long distance, that is without significant signal degradations. Moreover, there are some applications of fiber optic cables, like it is used in telecommunication purpose, also used in internet connectivity, and also used in data center. That means the fiber optic cables are used in telecommunication networks, and it also provide a high speed data internet connectivity, and also these cables are used in data center for high speed data transmissions. Now coming to the types, that is the types of fiber optic cables. There are basically two types of fiber optic cables. First one is single mode and second one is multi-mode fiber optic cables. So there are some differences between them. In single mode fiber, it has the core size that is typically up to 8 to 10 microns, but in case of multi-mode, it has the core size that is typically 50 to 100 microns. Next difference is that in case of single mode fiber, it has only the single light that is transmitted through the core, but in case of multi-mode fiber, it has the multiple light signals that are transmitted through the core. The next difference is that in case of single mode fiber, it is used for a long distance transmission, that is suitable for long distance transmission, that is up to 100 kilometers. But in case of multi mode, it is suitable for a shorter distance transmission, that is up to 2 kilometers. The fourth difference, that is in single mode, it has the higher bandwidth capacity, but in case of multi mode, it has the lower or bandwidth capacity compared to single mode. And the last difference is that in case of single mode, it uses the laser to transmit the light signals, but in case of multi mode, it uses the LED, that is light emitting diode, to transmit the data signals. There are some application of single mode and multi mode fiber optic cables. The single mode fiber optic cables are used for a long haul networks, that is like telecommunication networks, but multi-mode fibers are basically used for the short distance transmission like local area networks and also for the data centers. So this is all about fiber optic cables. In this video I will discuss a new cable, or I will add a new cable, that is console cable. Console cable are basically used to configure and troubleshoot the router and switches. That means it has it because it is used to connect your system or your laptop to the console port of the router and switches. That means this cable has the two ends. In the one end, it has the RJ45 connector, which is used to connect to the router and switches, and in the other end, it has a DB9 or a serial connector or a USB connector, which is used to connect to your laptop or your system. So this is all about transmission media. Thank you so much everyone for supporting me, and in the next video I will discuss a new topic, that is about OSI, that is open system interconnection model, and this model will be a very important topic of computer networking. Till then, thank you so much.